Hello, hello. Hi, I just wanted to show you how to do the activity for Tuesday for science. This is in your packet, boys and girls. So module 3, I already took it out of here, but it comes right after the energy scavenger hunt. So in your packet, you're going to want to take this sheet out. Okay, that's in there. You can just kind of pull it right away from the staple. And I just trimmed the edges to make it just a little bit cleaner. So all you're going to do, boys and girls, so you've got this, right? I'm just going, you can see where there's the dotted, the dashed lines. I'm just going to fold this side. You've got this. I'm going to fold that. So it's going to wrap like this. So basically, it's just a little foldable. So the front says forms of energy. And then on the inside, you've got the 5 different sources of energy. So what I'm going to show you is, let me grab my scissors. The first thing is, do you see where it says mechanical? So in the slides and buzz, it refers to it as the motion of energy. So I'm just going to cross off the word mechanical. That's what I want you to do. And you're just going to write motion. Okay, so you've got motion, electrical, light, thermal, which is the same as heat, and sound. So you've got this folded like this, right? So what you're going to be doing is you're going to open that back up, and then with a pair of scissors, do you see how there's these lines that separate each one? So you're just going to snip till you get to the fold. So it's like a little flap. So watch what I do. I'm just going to snip and stop at the dashed line. I'm just going to make a couple cuts. So now you have some flaps. So if I fold this back up, you've got this. And then when you open it, you're going to have all these little flaps on the inside. Okay? So your job underneath each flap is you need to give some examples of either things in your home or things at school or things maybe you've seen outside or anything that would be an example of those types of energy. I would say 2 for each. And you might have to go back into Buzz, into the slides to get some examples if you can't come up with anything. So right now I'm sitting in my office right now. I can see many things right now for light. So I would record, oh, I can see my standing tall lamp there. So that's going to be light, but it also is electricity. So I'm going to let you kind of just experiment with this. So once again, this is what the final product looks like. Get my little flaps in there. Forms of energy. And you've got all your little flaps right here. And then underneath, you are writing 2 examples of each kind of energy. All right. So what I'm going to say is, how do you submit this into Buzz then? So you're just going to open that up. I want you to take a picture of this. And then you're going to open the flaps up. And you're going to take a picture of the inside. So I can see that you completed not only making the foldable, but writing the 2 examples of each one. I'm going to repeat that. So I want you to take a picture of this, and then you're going to open it up and you're going to take a picture of your work inside. So you really are submitting 2 photos for this assignment. And I can't stress enough, make sure you read the Buzz slides first, and then you might have to go back in there to get different examples for each kind of energy. So look forward to seeing your foldable.